Okay. Hi everyone. So this is Dinesh. Okay. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the React application hosting in S3 bucket and accessing the S3 bucket object by using a REST API via CloudFront distribution and over HTTPS protocol. Okay. So all these things we will see in this lecture. Okay, so first of all, we will create one S3 bucket in our AWS account. So I'm already in the S3 screen, so just click create button. So I'm just giving a bucket name as React app 425, and I'm giving the reason as same thing. So AP Southeast one, and remaining things as it is, and public access block, and version if you want you can keep it enabled. And by default no encryption at the server side. If you want you can enable it either AES 256 encryption or by using KMS key. That's your wish. And finally click create bucket. So once bucket is getting created successfully, then our next immediate task is we need to build the React application, and we need to copy the contents from the React application to the S3 bucket. That's our next immediate objective. So for that, I'm going to the local machine. Okay, so at the terminal, so please be ready with either npm or npx installed in your machine before applying this command. So I'm just creating one application called tester. Okay, just apply the command. Just wait for a few seconds, the app will be created. Okay, the next command which we need to apply here is npm start. Before going for that, we need to go to that folder first. The folder is cd test-app. Now apply npm start. Now app will be launched. And the next immediate thing what we need to do here is we need to build this app. So npm run build. So the moment when we apply this command, a build folder will be created at the root directory, which we need to copy to the S3. Okay, that's it. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to my folder, check where's the path exactly. Okay, so this is the path. Okay, I'm coming here, pressing here. Okay, so I just navigated to the folder path and I'm here. Okay, so now I'm going to the S3 bucket. You can close this one. You just go to the S3. So under S3, just open this one. And here you need to upload the content. So click on upload. So you can go for drag and drop. So for that, just come here, just select all these things, drag and drop here. That's it. So content being placed here, just click upload button. The very important thing which we need to remember before creating the bucket here is you just need to refer this link. I'll place this link in the description. So if you read this one important note, when using virtual hosted style buckets with SSL, the SSL wildcard certificate only matches the buckets that do not contain the dots. Okay, so what they're saying exactly here is if your bucket name is with some dot, example like react.app123, something like that, the bucket name, then SSL will not be applied. So that is HTTP protocol connection. So in that case, you need to write your own certificate verification logic. Please do remember that. But if you are not using any dots while creating the bucket name, you can have SSL over there. This is available. So here you are seeing a style virtual hosted style bucket. So there is another style called path based style, so which is a world type. So the path based style will be deprecated soon. So now everything is under virtual hosted style buckets. Please do remember this particular point here. Okay, and I'll show you the difference between the path based and the virtual hosted style. Maybe you can see here. I think this is the one. Okay, yeah, you can see here. So virtual hosted style and path style request. So if you see these two, the virtual hosted style request, if you see the host name, the bucket name. So this is the bucket example bucket .s3 region .amazon aws.com. And if you want to get an object, so directly you are passing that particular object here, puppy.cpc. Simple, very simple. You are passing like this. If you go to path-based style request, so the host will be the s3 region.amazonaws.com, and path will be the bucket name followed by the object. So that's the difference between these two. I think this particular style will be deprecated soon, the path style request. So everything we need to access the object by using in this way. Okay, so let's go back to the S3 bucket. Okay, so once the content is being uploaded into the S3 object folder, I think it's still in progress. Let's wait for a minute. Oh, thank you all, and see you all in the next session.